this is for Lisa here with Homebody. So in this video, I'm going to be just playing around with my dining room table, doing different centerpieces. I'm not going to be doing any place setting or a tablescape. I'm just going to do centerpieces on my table, starting with this first one, which is from Z Gallery. I've used this vase all around my home, from my master bedroom to my kitchen to my guest bedroom to my living room, my home office, and even in my family room. It's been used a lot and I love it. It's so versatile, and believe it or not, this vase can even be used like a fish bowl. You can put a little fish in there if you like. You can store flowers, you can put lights, you can put I had artificial snow and a reindeer in here for Christmas. It's just so much you can do with this vase. So here I'm just going to create a centerpiece. I'm using these balls. These actually balls came from JCPenney, and it was like a set. I think it was like 6 or so. Now the purple balls actually came from Pier 1. I really like these, and I'm just going to decorate this bowl to use as a centerpiece on my dining room table. Now I used the ones at the bottom just to fill in because I didn't have a lot of the purple balls. So here you go. So this centerpiece here you can use by itself on your dining table, or you can use it, you can pair it with maybe some candlesticks and candles. You can actually use this on your coffee table. You can use it on a dresser. You can use it on a buffet. You can do so much with this particular arrangement. I like the fact that it's personalized and I made it to my liking. Now I'm going to show you how you can pair it with some candles. So I grabbed 2 candles. These candles actually came from Burlington. The actual candle holders came from Burlington. The candles came from Home Goods, and I didn't tell you where the vase came from. The vase came from Home Goods as well. I think that this is really cute together, and it's going very well with the table in general. So here I'm just going to continue to add to the vase. Now these roses actually came from Amazon. I'm going to leave the link below just in case someone's interested in checking out these roses. So I'm just using the vase that I've already created, and I'm going to add to that. I'm going to use the florals that's already there as the base so that I can have somewhere to stick my stems, because I didn't have any styrofoam. And I just thought to make use of the florals that's already there. So anyway, I'm just going to fill the whole vase with these roses, and I think it's going to come out really, really cute. So here you go, the final product. I think this is so elegant and super, super cute. I like the way that purple lavender is falling into place with the silver. And again, you can use this centerpiece on your dining room table, on your buffet, in your master bedroom. You can use it in your family room. You can use it in your living room, home office, or wherever you see fit. Just in case I have some new watchers watching this video, my chairs came from Wayfair. I'm going to leave the link below to that. My table also came from Wayfair, as well as the rug. Now the sconces that's on the wall actually came from Z Gallery, and I ended up purchasing them for like 20 something bucks. My mirror came from Home Goods. It was a really, really good price. I'm loving that mirror. Now I do have a light on top of that mirror. I actually had that light there from a picture that I had, and I just decided not to take that light down to save the wall, because I know eventually I'm probably going to end up putting a picture back up there. So here's the next setting. Now this is a DIY floral arrangement that I did for my master bedroom. The actual mirror vase came from Home Goods. The picks came from Michael's. I'm not sure if I already mentioned this, but I'm filming this video at night. I do have my ring light on, but I'm going to have to invest in some better lighting just so I can have better quality videos when I do my nighttime videos. So let's move on to the next one. So in this one, I have a 3-piece vase set that actually came from Home Goods. I think it ranged from like $6.99, $7.99, and $9.99. And I've had these for quite a few years. And basically, I purchased some picks from Michaels, and I'm using some of my Christmas picks to give it that glam look. The silver picks in there is actually my Christmas picks. And everything else, I think, is actually either from the spring collection from Michaels or maybe the all year round collection, but I like this collection. I think it's really cute. Now here's another one you guys seen before. I love these feathers. These feathers came from Z Gallery. I purchased them. I think they were maybe 40% off or so, or either 20% off or so when I purchased them. I have like 4 bushels of the feathers in there. I love these feathers. I have used them in many videos, and I will be using them in more videos to come. And last but not least, I have a vase, a cone vase that I purchased from Home Goods last summer, and I'm using some fall feathers in there, which I've been using all year round. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it inspiring on how to just do a simple centerpiece for your table, and I will be seeing you in my next video. Bye.